You are trading your most critical biological asset for an empty digital storefront. The house is silent. It's past 2 in the morning. The screen glows against tired eyes as you refresh the dashboard again. The number of sales remains fixed at 0. You fell into the midnight productivity illusion. Society conditions the work-from-home mother to romanticize sleep deprivation. You are taught that this is the natural toll of independent income, but the digital market does not validate your exhaustion. The algorithm ignores the sacrifice you made formatting a sales page. Effort without architecture is just invisible labor. And invisible labor in the digital economy results in zero conversion. You are operating a manual lever inside an automated ecosystem. Hoping willpower will force a financial transaction. This is a primary economic leak. You are burning raw, irrecoverable time that should restore the cognitive bandwidth required for tomorrow. Let's examine the mechanics of this structural failure. Traditional work models teach that continuous effort generates linear results. You clock in, you execute the task, you receive the paycheck. When you transition to a digital model built from home, you carry this industrial habit in your mental baggage. You assume late hours equal high technical performance. You believe staying awake means your business is open. This perception is corrupted at its foundation. A digital income stream operates outside human biological time. If it requires your physical presence at dawn to function, it is not a scalable system. It is a low-paying job you created for yourself, a job managed by your own financial uncertainty. Observe this pattern. Uncertainty drives the nighttime work session. Night work produces accumulated chronic fatigue. Fatigue reduces the precision of your market communication. Imprecise communication results in the absence of transactions. The absence of sales elevates uncertainty back to the top. The cycle restarts and destroys your mental capital. To break this, we need to recalibrate the infrastructure of your time. You need the structure I call the asynchronous conversion engine. This is the foundation of the soft power economy. An engine built with leverage, not biological presence. The asynchronous conversion engine separates your time from the transaction event. It requires a mental transition from active selling to passive capture. Think of it as setting up capture nets in a fast-moving river. You don't stay in the cold water all night holding a spear. You build the durable net during the day. You allow the digital current to do the friction work. Attention traffic flows independently of your wakefulness. It crosses time zones and ignores the clock on your wall. If your sales infrastructure sleeps when you sleep, you don't own a digital business. You own a neighborhood shop with locked doors. The asynchronous conversion engine keeps the virtual gates open. It functions as a relentless filter of buying intent, qualifying traffic while silence dominates the halls of your house. How is your current architecture structured? Are your conversion links inactive or broken? Does your value offer speak to the wrong secondary pane? These are the mechanical failures keeping your dashboard at 0. Fixing this requires daytime cognition. It demands sharp focus. It requires clarity you cannot access at 2 in the morning. Have you noticed how your time disappears before noon? Share your experience. That morning mental fog is the tax charged by your night shift. You pay for those lost hours with low-quality strategic decisions. The culture of nighttime sacrifice is a legacy of an obsolete system, a system that valued visible sweat over invisible efficiency. On online platforms, visible sweat has no BA or COD. It cannot be priced and cannot be packaged. The market pays for the transformation your architecture delivers, and packaging transformation requires extreme lucidity. The asynchronous conversion engine imposes strict operating limits. It begins by confining your foundational work to high-energy windows. Many architects of the home economy use physical constraints to tame the digital. A visual time-blocking planner. By keeping an analog planning system on your desk, you externalize cognitive load and dictate production rhythms. Links to time-blocking systems are in the description. When the written time block ends, your manual keyboard operation stops. The system's distribution assumes the weight of execution. Scheduled strategic content acts as your sales representative at scale. The design sales funnel processes raw audience attention. The checkout sequence handles objections and final purchase friction. Your biology is extracted from the financial equation. This is the pure essence of home economy leverage. Produce an intellectual asset once. Allow it to operate in code infinitely. When you wake up to 0 sales under this new foundation, it stops being a failure tied to your identity. It simply becomes a metric flow data point, a cold signal that the gear needs a micro adjustment. Maybe the entry hook lacks psychological tension. Maybe the capture page needs more visual clarity. You analyze these screen data with a rested mind in the morning. You become a lucid observer of the process, not an emotional victim of the daily outcome. This shift transforms your primary role within the home. You stop being a frantic operator forcing commercial destiny. You become the master strategist of your own economy. Motherhood demands incalculable emotional and physical reserves. Building an income path should not compete for those same vital reserves. It should operate parallel to them, quietly behind the server's curtain. A mother's early morning hours should belong only to her, for cellular recovery, for mental silence, for peace of mind. Never for the desperation of closing a single sale. Analyze the design of your current conversion strategy. Does it depend on your constant manual intervention? If the answer is yes, it is a fragile structure that will not withstand time. Fragile structures collapse under the sudden and unpredictable demands of domestic life. A child wakes with a fever. The nighttime laptop session is immediately canceled. The business dependent on manual labor freezes and loses traction. The asynchronous conversion engine absorbs these real-life interruptions. It functions autonomously while you comfort your child in the bedroom. It functions efficiently while you rest your eyes. This is not the promise of passive income. That term is an old marketing myth. This is the reality of leveraged income. You concentrate effort density during ideal biological windows. You build robust conversion assets. You position them strategically in the consumer attention flow. And then you step your physical body away from the screen. The silence of your phone at night becomes a signal of installed order, not operational failure, because you know the virtual system is hunting attention. Even in your absence. The mental transition from operator to architect causes initial discomfort. It requires abandoning the emotional security of busy work. Busy work simulates the feeling of productivity, but it rarely moves the economic needle in the right direction. Adjusting color palettes and fonts at midnight is busy work. Consuming others' content seeking sparks of inspiration is busy work. This is the shift. The soft power architect rejects busy work. She focuses daytime energy on the structural integrity of the digital business. Lean sales copy that converts anonymous visitors for months. Email automation that educates the cold prospect into trust. These foundational elements require deep thinking, and deep thinking requires prior brain rest. Therefore, sleep becomes your primary business protection strategy. Protect it from vanity metrics. Guard it from the demands of digital perfectionism. Refuse to trade it for a conversion dashboard that remains at zero. Your market value is not measured by the hours you suffer at the keyboard. Your economic power is validated by the scalable systems you design, systems that honor the limits of your biology, systems that respect the weight of your role at the center of the home's foundation. The soft power economy belongs to those who detach sweat from the clock, those who understand that true commercial scale happens without supervision. While the mass market forces movement through chronic exhaustion, you align with the intelligence of network leverage. You step out of the gear of continuous effort. Tomorrow, do not open the laptop after the sun sets. Let early morning hours return to their biological purpose of restoration. Build your engine structure in the clarity of daylight. Allow it to generate silent revenue in the darkness. If you value building income from your time at home, comment leverage, and consider subscribing to protect your most valuable system, your time.